Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to find those reels you and your friends have shared in your Instagram chats, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to view all shared reels in any Instagram conversation. Whether you're trying to rewatch a funny moment or just want to keep track of your favorite clips, this quick tutorial will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the messenger icon in the top right corner to access your direct messages. Next, scroll through your chats and open the conversation with the friend you want to check. This can be any chat where you've shared or received reels. Once you're inside the chat, look towards the top of the screen and tap your friend's name or their profile picture. This will open the chat details page. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Shared. Here, you'll notice several icons representing different types of shared content. Look for the Reels icon, which usually looks like a small clapperboard or video camera. Tap on it, and you'll instantly see a collection of all the reels you and your friend have shared in this chat. You can scroll through this list and tap any reel to watch it again, react, or even share it further. This feature is perfect for quickly finding that hilarious clip you watched together or just revisiting your favorite moments. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily view all the reels you've shared in any Instagram chat. No more endless scrolling or searching through your messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.